Hello friends, in this video you will learn how to change elements of a chart like title, axis title, legends, data labels, data tables, etc. I have a sales data, that is monthly sales position. First I will select this data and then press Alt and F1 button. A column chart appears. If I move, I will just enlarge this one first. I will enlarge the graph chart. If I move my cursor over the chart, you see this is chart title. Then it is chart area, then it is plot area, this is vertical axis, this is horizontal axis, this is series, this is level. Now you see there are three buttons present besides the chart. First one is plus sign, that is chart element. Second one is pen sign, that is chart style, and third one is chart filter. First of all, I will change the chart title. By clicking on it, I can edit the chart title. Say I will type here monthly sales data. By simply clicking on it, I can edit the color, shape, size, font, etc. In this way I can change the chart title. Next is by clicking the plus sign, chart elements appears. From here I can select by checkbox. You see, by clicking on this checkbox, this axis appears. Similarly, clicking on it, axis titles appears. From here I can edit the axis title. By selecting this, I will write the here values. Here it is item. Next, this is by clicking, it is data label. These are data labels. I can change the data label, the size, color, etc. from here. Similarly, by selecting these labels, I can change the colors here. Say it is yellow or red. In this way I can change the data labels. Next one is data table. If I want a data table just beneath the chart, then data tables appears here. By again clicking this box, this data table will disappear. Next one is error bars. By clicking here, the error bars appears. Next one is grid line. If I want to remove the grid lines will disappear. Again, if I click on this checkbox, grid line will appear. These are the grid lines. These are the grid lines. Next one is trend line. Say I want the trend line for the month of January, then clicking here in January, you see the trend lines appears. By clicking here, I can change the style. Trend line, this is the exponential, this is the logarithm, this is the polynomial, this is power, this is moving average. In this way I can change the trend line. Next one is chart style. By clicking on this button, I can edit or I can change the styles from this tab. You see, in this way it changes. Predefined styles are available here. From here you can change the style. Say this one, I want this one. By clicking on it, the style changes. Now if I want to change the color, by selecting this you see how the color changes. In this way it changes. You see, in this way color can be changed. You see, in this way it works. Next one is chart filters. By clicking the chart filters button, I can filter the chart as per the values, that is series and categories. If I want the series, say select all, then both the series will appear, January and February. If I want only January, you see only January data will show. Similarly for February, only February data will show. Next one is category. Now select this series and select category from here, say mobile, and clicking on apply, only mobile data for January and February will appear. Similarly for mobile and TV data will appear. In this way we can filter the data as per the values, that is series and categories. Next one, by clicking over this chart, a format chart, that is chart tools appears. From here we can modify the chart as per the requirement. Say fill, that is no fill, it is solid fill, say solid fill, then grind line, automatic, color transparency. In this way we can modify. Similarly shadow, say shadow, size, glow, transparency. In this way we can edit or modify the chart as per size. Similarly soft edges, by sizes, soft edges, by changing the points we can change the or edit the soft edges. Similarly for again clicking on here, the format plot area appears. From here we can change the color or styles as per the requirement. That's all about the chart element modification. Hope you understand. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for the new video notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.